Welcome back to my channel. Welcome everybody, my dear viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my channel, Tea with Kim. Alright guys, so today, right now, we're going to talk about our history. We're going to go down a bit in our history, or Jamaican history. Because back in the days, many incidents occurred that somehow we don't know about. Somehow we only grew up. While growing up, we hear little yes and little this. Some were never taught in school, while some might have. We might learn about some in school. But not everything we are gonna know, and everything we are gonna learn in our school. Like this incident that occurred, Kendall crash, we know about that, and them look of deadly incident there. You have Titanic for one. If the Titanic never happened in Jamaica, but them look a major incident there, yeah, we're gonna talk about this one. This one we're gonna talk about deadliest maritime buried in silence. How many of you guys have ever heard about this? Not all. So 40 Jamaican fishermen vanished at sea on July the 1st, 1963. So them time they half away. We could have hear this, never ban it. We didn't think about for ban it. A fishing boat named the Snowboy leaves Kingston Harbour at 6 p.m. headed for the Pedro Caves. On board of a 63-foot boat, 40 men, 5 crew, 35 fishermen, most of them from Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. The trip was supposed to take 8 hours, but at 10 p.m., halfway there, radio contact cut out. No distress signal, no return call, just silence. So by morning, the Snowboy is gone. 4 days later, the Gleaner runs the headline. 40 fishermen missing and a fishing boat, Snowboy. The sea had swallowed them. Wall debris was spotted near Pedro Bank, but not a single body recovered. No GPS, no life jackets, no way to call for help. Among the dead were 4 members of the Hill family: John, Karen, Truman, and Olin. An entire generation wiped out. Person believe rogue wave, or engine failure took them. The truth is still unknown and remains the worst loss of life at sea in Jamaican civilian at sea history. Yet there is no day of remembrance, no monument, nothing. The Snowboy tragedy was more than a disaster. It was a warning that went ignored. 40 names, 40 families, one forgotten story. Again, 40 names, 40 families, one forgotten story. You see that? See? That's why when we go at the market, if we go buy fish, as a matter of fact, any seafood at all, and the fisherman them give them price, we must talk ball about it out there, and you know, words and not this and you know that. We must pay the price, because some of we, especially me, I can't swim in my life. I can't swim. See, when I go to the beach, I prefer stay upon the sand and swim on dry land and crawl my knee, because I cannot swim. I'm just saying that to say this. When them go on them price, the fisherman them give on them price, just work with it. Cause we can't swim for save our life. Somehow we and then go out there, risk them life on boat, shark attack them, alligator or crocodile attack them, whichever. Because at the end of the day, I work too. And then put their life in a danger to ensure they can come out and sell people them goods. And somehow we just so faulty. We ball on them price. We don't want this, that, in a rate size. We pay the fisherman them price. And stop complaining. My God, this is sad, very devastated. Yeah, but there's a lot of Jamaican history that many of us don't even know, as we were not taught in school. They're not even teach you real history again. They're not teach you nothing. Cause all this what happened back in the 19s. We're supposed to learn about this in a history class. Because if I never did for social media, we wouldn't know this. We would know so they made something happen. But thank God for social media, somehow we know what happened from what not happen. But that's how it is. Everything is risky. Everything risky. Sometimes we have to take risks. But anyways, that's it for now. See you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Drop your comments below. See you again, guys. Bye.